When performing a granular restore on Hyper-V, the following error message is displayed. The logon user of the Windows session where the restore is being performed is not the actual administrator. As a result, it cannot access the map device created under the real administrator session. To resolve the issue, log in as the real Windows administrator, not as another user with an admin role or elevated admin permissions. The real administrator account is the one with the security identifier S-1-5-21 plus domain-500. To identify the real administrator account, open the command prompt and run the following command. Take note, for more information about security identifiers in Windows, please refer to the article in the description below. After logging in using the real administrator account, start as a OBM and perform the restore again. If you want to learn how to secure your business and personal data, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more assay backup tips and insights.